Hello, you're welcome. In this video, we're going to be seeing how we can count, sum, and take the average of cells values in Excel in a very simple and easy manner. So when you have a range of cells that contain numbers, you may want to count the number of the cells that you have available, populated with numbers. You may also want to take the sum of the numbers that you have in your cells, as well as the average of such numbers. And that's just what we are going to see how we do in this very video. So the first thing that I need to do here is to count the numbers. That's the entire numbers that I have here. So I will just enter equal to and then use the count function. Count function. And then enter the values that I want to count. So this is the range that I want to count for. So you can see 16 is being returned, and if we count this, we have 4, 4, 4, 4. Tell us that we have 16 numbers here available. We can also take the sum of these numbers by using the sum function, sum, and select this range. So the sum is 280. We can take the average. So the average, we use the average function. We select this range. So you see we have 17.5. Now let's check and be sure that our answer is correct. So you can see here that we have sum of the numbers is 280 and the count is 16. So if we do sum divided by count, let's see if it gives us this very average. So we do sum and divided by count. So you see it gives us exactly this average, telling us that we are correct with our calculation. Now we can check the count for sales alone, the sum for sales alone, as well as the average for sales alone. Well, we do equal to count and select these very values for sales. Use source 4, and you can see it is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then for our sum, we also sum this, gives us 10. Let's take our average. The average returns 2.5. Now, if we check sum divided by count, it's supposed to give us this average. So let's confirm it. 10 divided by 4, and it gives us this 2.5, showing us that these functions are working perfectly well. And this is just the simple tricks I want to show you in this video on how you can count, you can sum, and you can take averages in Excel during the course of your analysis. I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.